Multiply 150 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. The third partial product is 15,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the thousands column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 15,000. So 150 times 100 is 15,000.